Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar, and it's time to do the recap. It's January the 22nd on a Wednesday, and let's dive right in. I feel like I should hide my P&L because I'm pretty sure 90% of you just you want to see the P&L, which is okay. I understand that, and that's really the only thing that matters. But we're going to talk a little bit how we got there. Um, in a brief, this is going to be a 2-minute summary for those of you that just want to hang out for 2 minutes. I'm going to give you guys a 2-minute summary, and then I'm going to give a little bit more in-depth summary for those of you that want to stick around. So the 2-minute summary is Tradify this morning. I didn't follow my exact entry rules this morning. So the 3-minute opening candle was a buy, and it was all the way up here. I wasn't crazy about buying all the way up here. And I decided, you know what? I'm going to just enter an order down here at this, basically the opening of the previous candle. I'm going to place an order there, and if I get filled, great. If not, I'm just going to let it go. And basically by doing that, it allowed me to have my stop below the opening price. And that's kind of what I was looking for. Like, it basically allowed me a lot more wiggle room for that opening trade that I needed. And it worked. It worked out and took a decent, I think the overall profit and loss for Tradify was like 300. And then we basically traded the Tradify accounts on this move higher. And somewhere around here, we locked down Tradify and $800 locked in. And we used Guardian Angel Trader and we locked that in. So that's the summary for Tradify. Now, Apex, we wish we would have done that. I was actually up $800 per account on my Apex accounts as well at one point. And basically, I kept trading the afternoon session, and I should not have, and I overtraded, and we ended up giving that $800 profit back on my Apex accounts. That's the summary on Apex. Now, the summary on Take Profit Trader, I don't want to celebrate too early, okay? I want to be cautious. But we are $5 away from passing the Take Profit Trader accounts. I actually passed that $1,505 in profit. I actually got that profit yesterday at the, where were we here? Basically, this move right here. We had last night's open was right here, and this move here, and this move, and this move, it was combination of, I don't even know, maybe 10 trades, and we passed those accounts. So very, very happy about that. And yeah, I don't want to celebrate too early. And then also, I took almost the exact same trades on my Top Step accounts, 100K Top Step accounts, and we are actually really, really close to passing those. And I'm probably going to try to pass those tomorrow. But regarding evals, Top Step, we almost have 100K XFAs. We almost have Take Profit Trader accounts pass. We need 3 more days traded on those, obviously. So that's great. Now, that's probably longer than 2 minutes, but that's the brief summary of how my day went. Now, going back to Apex, I was, again, just frustrated with myself. I need to walk away. I need to learn to walk away in the afternoon sessions. And I don't know how many times this keeps happening before I learn, but it seems like this around 11:30, 12 o'clock, the current momentum shifts in the market. And we just kind of put in a top around noon, and I keep trying to go with the trend, but then I end up going against the trend. And basically, that's how I ended up giving back $800 in profit. I I was having such a good day, and for some reason, of course, I thought getting those 150Ks to $1,000 in profit would be, would be even better. And I was even okay. Like that first trade I took, we had this big pullback, and this is what I was really proud of myself. I was patient, didn't take any trades here, and I waited until we had like this. I was wanting to see us like a big rip lower followed by a big move higher. That was my signal to go long. And I went long somewhere right here. And my mentality was basically, okay, I'm going to give like one more trade. And I'm going to, if I take a loss, it's okay. I'll walk away with like $600 in profit per account. It'll still be a great day. And that was my plan heading into it, which is okay. But I get my profit target was literally, I don't know how it wasn't filled. Literally went to the tick, but didn't fill my profit target on my first entry or my first take profit. And then it just reversed, and it kind of, yeah, it kind of triggered me a little bit. And I ended up taking a full $200 loss on that account. And instead of then locking out my trading for the day and walking away, I kept chasing that loss. And fast forward, basically we gave back that $800 profit. So pretty, like, I'm disappointed in that sense. And again, like, this is what I do sometimes if I trade off stream. Like, it's like a catch-22 with me in trading and streaming. When I stream, I'm actually way more disciplined. I'm more disciplined, and I do better with walking away. And it's kind of weird, but when I'm streaming and I shut down my stream for the day, usually I can close everything out and I actually walk away. Today, I just kept sitting here, and it was cold outside, so I couldn't go golfing. Really, just there was nothing else to do, I guess. And I kept chasing that loss. So definitely a learning point in that aspect, that I just need to learn to walk away, accept that loss, and then move on, lock myself out. But overall, I'm not upset. It was still a good day of trading. And especially this morning, we were just killing it. I had some really nice trades. I need to update this chart trader to get it to show my entries and exits again. But it was a good day, and I don't want to, it's a green day. It could have been better, but it was still a great day. So we're going to keep it at that. Regarding my streaming schedule and if I'm going to stream tomorrow, I'm honestly not sure. I'm conflicted. Like, here's my problem. If I stream tomorrow and then I have a red day, it's going to mess with me mentally. Even though, like, I've also been trying to be honest with myself the last couple days when I'm not trading, when I'm trading but not streaming, like, what actually do I do differently? And one of the things I definitely do differently is I trade a lot more freely, in a sense. Like, I'll get in and out of trades. I definitely take more trades, which it's like a catch-22, because I do take more trades, but I take my losses a little bit sooner, but then I'll just get right back in. But then I also, on the flip side, I overtrade, and that gets me in trouble when I'm trading off stream. So I don't know. Sometimes, I don't know. It's like sometimes I think I should be streaming and I would trade better, but obviously as of late, my trading on stream has just been horrendous, and cannot seem for the life of me to get anything going. And now that I have 2 days where it's at least going a little bit better, I'm cautious. I'm just cautious, and I'm fearful that mentally it's going to mess with me if I stream tomorrow and then we have another red day. I don't know. Right now, I'm undecided. I'll be honest. I'm not really sure. I do really miss it. Like, that's where it's such a weird dynamic because I actually really do enjoy streaming and I enjoy the interaction with you guys. I just enjoy talking to you guys and reading chat and the interaction part of it. I love it. I think that's what most of you guys enjoy as well. Obviously, I don't think most of you are here to watch me trade, so to speak. Um, at least not really to learn anything. Hopefully not. But I enjoy the community, but at the same time, it's right now I'm not sure if that's what's best for my trading. So, and right now I feel like I do need to focus on what's best for my trading, and I know that you guys understand. But it's so weird because at the same time, like there were multiple times today where I missed the streaming part of it, but anyway, I think for now I'm gonna just keep it at that. I guess we'll find out tomorrow morning if I'm gonna stream or not. Right now I have to say I probably lean on that I won't, and just try to do another day. Like I said, I think mentally it's really gonna mess with me if I do stream and then we have another red day. Like I know it shouldn't matter, like it really shouldn't, but mentally, trading mentally is a big part of trading. So I'm going to try to preserve that mental capital as much as possible, at least for now. But I definitely want to stream on Friday because we are streaming from Patrick. We're going to be visiting Patrick next week, Monday, Tuesday. And I at least want to stream one more time yet before we go and do that, which I don't know how I might not even trade my accounts. I might just trade an eval when I'm with Patrick. I'm not sure. I haven't even really thought that far, but I doubt that I'm going to be trading my funded accounts when I'm with Patrick at that time. So, anyway, thank you everyone. Appreciate it. Hit the like button, hit the sub button on your way out. Take care. I hope you guys all had a great green day, and I hope you guys all have a great evening. Take care and God bless.